This is the Waterfall Tea Estate entrance. It seems to be a nice foggy morning. It rained here yesterday and the whole area is covered with fog. Very beautiful weather. So there's a lot of tea estates there down below. Everything is covered in fog here. And you can see the house, which is a pretty big mansion. It's called Indraprastha.